and I wanted to get this tutorial out to you because it's a very important tutorial about our cling stamps. Now these are new this year, and I want to let all my customers know how to put these on the labels and how you need to be super careful about lifting them out. They are very sticky. Over time they'll become a little bit looser, taking them on and off, but I wanted to show you how to mount these and everything. So I'm using the Fable Friends. I've already done a couple of them, and this is how it comes. It comes with the rubber stamp, and you have to use your little labels on these or they won't stick. It's very important. On the other ones that we used to have, our regular clear stamps, you didn't have to put the label on, and they actually stuck better for me without the label. But I want to show you how to put these on. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take them off of this rubber piece. And I know this seems simple, but these are very, very sticky. They don't come off your clear blocks. You have to remove this little piece of paper that's on the back, and then we're going to take our sheet right here, and there's two sides. Now there's one side that you'll see it has it's split like down the middle, and that's the side you're going to put your stamp on. So we're going to remove those two little pieces, and when you put this on, you want to be super careful. You want to make sure it's lined up really well, because once it's down, you're not going to get it back up without ruining your little picture there. So what we're going to do now is, what I do is I usually put it on one end, and I'll just hold it right there, and I will work it till it is totally lined up, and then I will press it down, and then you have your stamp mounted. Just like that. And if anything overhangs on it or anything, you can cut that off with your scissors if you don't like it overhanging. So now we're going to put it on our clear block, and it ain't going anywhere. It is awesome. I love the way these work. Now, two ways that you can remove these. Be very careful when removing these, especially on the smaller images. You can tear these. But one thing I wanted to share is you can use this, take your pick tool and use the spatula end. And you can like put your spatula right under and lift very carefully, and then you can remove this. Another way is just to find a little corner and gradually lift it up very carefully like that. And then take it off. Don't try to pull it off. You can tear the rubber on the back of this little foam on the back. You don't want to do that. You're going to ruin your stamp. And then you can just stick them on here. And again, I will use this little flat edge of my spatula, and it lifts them really easily because this is really thin and it gets underneath this stamp very easily. See that? All right, I'm going to show you again. This is really, really important because I want to make sure you all know how to do this before you use your stamp. Okay, I'm going to do the little duckies right here. So I'm going to take the backing off there. And then I'm going to remove them from here. And just take your time doing this. There's no hurry when you're doing it. So you want to make sure you're doing them right and you're getting them all lined up really well. So then I will take, you can do it from the shorter end or from the longer end. So I will line this section up. I just hold my finger there till I can make sure that it is all lined up just right. And then I'll press it down. And then I have it again. And again, it's super sticky. Now over time, it'll loosen up just a hair, but I love these because they stay there. They're not going to fall off when you're trying to stamp. They're really, really nice. And then again, I just put them on the back here to keep them. I'm going to go ahead and just do one more for you. I'll do a smaller one so you can see. I'm going to do this little piece of grass right here. And I'm going to remove this. And then the little grass is right here. I'm going to remove that little piece of paper that's behind it. And again, line it up. The smaller one's a little easier to line up. And then just press it down and you have your piece. These are a little bit harder to get off of your block, but again, use that little flat end of take your pick tool. This tool is very inexpensive. So, and look at how easy they come out. It works really, really well for that. But you want to be very careful removing it from your block also. But you're going to love them because they're so sticky, they aren't going to move, and I really, really am enjoying them. So that is it. I just wanted to share how to use these new cling stamps because it's really important, and I don't want any of my customers and all my followers to have any issues with their stamps. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I will catch you in the next one, and I'll see you later. Bye.